Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to use or enable always on front camera on your Instagram app. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable always on front camera whenever you opens your Instagram app and you click on the camera, then it will directly show your front camera. If you want to enable this option, then I'll show you how to do this. First of all, what you have to do, you have to open your Instagram app, then tap on this plus icon, tap on the story. Here you will find settings in top right side corner. Just tap on that. After that, you can see your controls. Under controls you will find always start on front camera. Means whenever you open your Instagram camera, then it will always start from your front camera. Just tap to enable, then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable always on front camera on your Instagram app. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.